Hi, welcome to What's Up with DJ Now. Today we're making yummy air-fried bananas. Yes, we are. Here's the ingredients. Please stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started here, and if you could like and subscribe to my channel, I would greatly appreciate that. Now I'm going to just do 2 bananas today, but you can do as many that you can fit in your air fryer. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and peel just the top part of the peel of the banana. We're going to leave the bottom part on the banana, so we're only going to expose the top. Let's go ahead and get this end cut off that nobody likes. And no, we don't need to cut the other end. And then we're going to cut this in half. And then we're going to do the same to the next banana. And then we have our 2 bananas done, and they're cut in half. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut those right down the center. Try not to cut all the way through, just, halfway through to where we can split those open. This is a really good banana dessert. It's quick, and you'll see how good it's going to look at the end. Now we're just going to open these up. They're slippery, but just try and split them open somewhat in the middle like that. And we'll set those down. It was slippery, so it was kind of hard to do. You don't want to pull them out. You want them to stay somewhat attached to the peeling on the bottom. You just want to be able to split them open. See, that one was coming loose, so I'm just trying to keep it in there. We got our air fryer. Now we're going to take some brown sugar. And we're going to spoon some of that right into the center of each of those. Try and get your sugar, brown sugar, as fine as you can. I had some lumps, but the lumps don't matter because it's gonna melt all in there anyway. And once you get all those packed in the center with your brown sugar, we're going to go ahead and sprinkle some cinnamon on top. Nothing better than brown sugar and cinnamon, right? You could do different variations of this. You could do a little bit of peanut butter and a little bit of chocolate chips down the center, whatever you like, but I suggest that you try this one first because there's nothing better than the cinnamon and brown sugar on the banana. It's so good. Now we're going to go ahead and put these into the air fryer. You can do any air fryer that you have. I have the Power XL basket type air fryer, but excuse me, you can do it in any type you have. An oven air fryer, the basket type, whatever you have will work. Those dumb little banana little skins wouldn't stay off my finger. So get those into the air fryer. And this is how they look inside the air fryer. Smell good already, and I haven't even cooked them yet. Now we're going to take it over to the air fryer, and we're going to close that. And we're going to go ahead and set this to 400. And we're going to cook it for 10 minutes at 400 degrees. And we'll, excuse me, I'm losing my voice, and we'll be back in 10 minutes. And then here's our finished air fried bananas, and boy, they smelled so good. Now these are good to put on top of ice cream, vanilla ice cream. They're good to put inside pudding. Instead of cutting up like regular bananas, you could cook these and mix them into a pudding, a vanilla pudding or a banana pudding. They are so good either way, or you can just eat them just plain like I am here. But I really suggest you try them. They're a soft, almost pudding-like kind of consistency of a banana. Like I said, on top of some vanilla ice cream, they're so good. You get them out when they're hot, put them on top of your ice cream, and yum. Or pudding, either way. Maybe you can come up with other ideas. Maybe put in the comments what some other ideas you might have for these. But anyhow, I really hope that you try these. It's really quick, easy dessert. It's very good. Like I said, you can alternate, put different ingredients, but try this one first. So thanks for watching my video, and please like and subscribe, and I hope you come back. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.